Can you believe I never tried that palette before? I could have sworn I had it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, guys, I grabbed it. I grabbed the limited edition original Urban Decay Naked palette. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yup, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would also appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokes, here is my thought process. I just picked this up recently. I was hemming and hawing. As soon as it came out, I'm like, oh, great, I have that. I know I have that palette. I'm rummaging. See, this is why when I do declutters, I take it out of circulation, but I put it away, just in case we get videos of, hey, what's your oldest palette? Or do you have this one? Or let's recreate, you know, a different era. I could have bet you my bottom dollar. Don't worry about it. I have it. I went through it over and over and over. And then yesterday, I was at my girlfriend's house. She's like, oh, I have to go to Ulta. I have to go return something. Girl, you can't trust me at Ulta to return anything. So we went. I'm looking. Hey, would you happen to have that palette? I think they had like 1 or 2 left. Girl, don't do it. You have it. But I looked. Let me grab it. And I used my points. It is $59, by the way. $59. Let me just read up on it. This is the original Naked Eyeshadow Palette. Limited edition. I do have the Naked Palette 3. Hold that thought and I'll tell you something in a minute. And let me see. This is the iconic neutral palette backed by popular demand with limited availability exclusively at Ulta. You know the deal. I get the palette. Talking to my daughter last night. Oh, I finally picked up the palette. I really didn't want. Oh, Mom. This was my OG. And she's picking out like a color. I went down to like pan with this. And then like the light bulb went off. See, I knew we had it. It just wasn't my. Hi, Botch. It just wasn't mine. I know I've seen this all over. I remember the fuzzy packaging. Let me open it for you. This beautiful, fuzzy packaging. I remember this. Yeah, girl, because it wasn't yours. It was hers. And that was like back in the day. Let's see, she's 25 now. Really didn't have like palettes like this. I just had like maybe like 2 or 4 shadows from the drugstore. I knew I had it. The moral of the story is, girl, you're not crazy. You had it. It's just not yours. Let's dive in. This is what it looks like. Very beautiful. You know how tactile I am. But I got to tell you the truth, this makes my hands feel a little funny. Of course, right now, as we're sitting down, the garbage trucks have to come. I just read the description on Ulta's website, but I just wanted to share with you what is on the box. It says the palette that revolutionized neutrals forever. Yeah, girl. Is back and better than ever. Naked is loaded with the original 12 iconic neutrals in a modernized formula. I wonder what that is. And again, I didn't have it, so I thought I did. So I really can't like give you an honest answer about comparing the formulas. But anyway, its iconic range of textures, mattes, satin, shimmers, and sparkle proves that neutral is still anything but boring. No. I love the neutrals. I love it. From the softest champagne to the richest brown, all your OG favorites are back in this special limited edition. Look, I'm glad I have it. So when I opened it, yes, ma'am, when I opened it, let me just pull out the brush, which I love. Look how friggin' gorgeous. And of course, my eyeball goes right to here. Of course, my eyeball goes right to here. Let's get started. I'm like so super excited. I have all my makeup on. You know, I'll leave everything linked below. Let's get started, shall we? Oh my God, did I just scratch this? Daggone it. I just put a little scratch in here. Jiminy Cricket. Okay, see, I know my child is my child. I know. I bore them. But I just asked her, which one was your favorite color in there? Sidecar. Sidecar, which I just said my eyeball went right to it. And she also liked gunmetal right over here. Yep, they're ours. Okay, let's just dive right on in. My brushes are dirty, but what else is new? What else is new? I'm going right in with Virgin that I just scratched up. So we're going to fix it with the brush. Yeah, my brushes are dirty. So what? I'm going to go right on in. Guys, leave me some comments below. Did you have the original one? Did you pick up this new limited edition? And if you didn't have it, did you pick it up? Curious. I'm going from, ooh, that is pretty. Okay, so it's got a little bit of a shimmer. I'm going to stop right there. Oh, Virgin. I'm going to do the same over there. I'm going to just stop right there. Because you know, like my first base kind of color, if you will, I like to go from lashes to eyebrows. But that has got a little bit of a shimmer. So I'm going to try and take a clean brush, and I'm going to go into Naked, which looks like a nice matte. That is beautiful, though, that Virgin. I'm going to go in my natural crease, and you guys know I have hooded eyes. So we're going to just start there, and then we're going to work our way up. This is really, really pretty. Or you know what? Out of curiosity, this looks shimmery too. I'm wondering if it's just my brushes that are dirty, because this is beautiful. This is Naked on my hand. That does not look shimmery at all, but on the lid it does. So I'm going to take this off because I don't want to. I want to do due diligence to this palette. I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to just get all new brushes. Give me 1 second. Okie dokes, I'm back. I just grabbed my Refer brushes, which are natural bristles, by the way, so it's going to pick up more. I'm going in with the 15, and I'm going to start with Naked, because as I'm looking at it, Virgin, which I swatched right over here, it's got a little bit of a shimmer, but tiny, tiny, tiny bit. That is so nice. They're all so beautiful. Okay, I'm not crazy. I remember this palette, and I remember it being in the house. That is more like it. Look how beautiful and silky and delicious and beautiful and matte that is. That is gorgeous. So I'm going to take that on my lid, and I'm going to go all the way almost to my eyebrow. Yes, I remember this palette. I sure do, girl. I'm so greedy. I thought it was mine. Oh, yeah, it's mine. It's mine. No, ma'am. That is such a beauty. Listen, I don't find neutrals boring at all. I think they're so beautiful. It could be an everyday. You can zhuzh it up and make it into an evening look. I think it's so classy. Look how beautiful. So I'm going to just take this a little bit higher, like right on my brow bone right here, because I always tend to feel like when I'm done with my makeup, I always feel like there's a little bit of emptiness right there. But we're going to go back with that beautiful, beautiful color. Okay, then after that, I think I'm going to just try and darken up the edges with Buck right here. I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the 13. It's a little bit smaller than I would like, but we're going to make it work. A little bit powdery. Leave me some comments below. Ooh, that is so beautiful. Girl, I love me a neutral palette. Leave me some comments below. Have you guys used this new palette? And if you guys are experienced, let me know if you feel the difference in formula. I think I heard somebody say that they did. That is so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Just try and stay in focus, girl. Try and stay in the middle of the doggone camera. I can't tell you how many times I put this in my car and then deleted it. In my car and then I left it. In my car, and there's nothing special. And there is nothing special about these colors. It's just like the history behind this palette. That is so friggin' pretty. Whatever I have left over, I'm just going to go in my natural crease that you will never see. That I always say that. Leave me some comments below. Let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on hooded eye application. Okay. I kind of ended up doing it all over, but we may go into like creep. We may creep into, no, you know what? Now that I'm here, I'm going to go into Hustle. It looks like it could be like a satin color right here. Let's try that, and I think I'm going to take that on a flat brush and see if I could just, this one's a little bit big, but I want to see if I could just keep it right on the outer edge and just pat, yep, just pat right here. Ooh, that's pretty. I think this brush is too big. Yeah, too big. If I have a clean brush on this side of town, do I? Yeah, I'm going to take the BK Beauty 203. This is really a beautiful palette. Is it something special in color? No. It's a neutral palette, girl. There's nothing to write home about it, but it is certainly very iconic, very beautiful. and I didn't want to pick it up. Now, speaking of I didn't want to pick it up, because I have the, I think I have like this, was there a smaller version of the Naked 3? Because I think I have that one. Here's what I'm telling you. My best friend, I'm going to go back in with the first color, and I'm going to go right up here. Yep. So my best friend, and I don't know where she went. She had a friends and family, a friend of a somebody of I don't know who, and a what, and all that good stuff. And I forgot to use the frickin' brush that was in here. Duh. But anyway, so my girlfriend went to, I don't know, like, it wasn't an outlet. It was like the whoever owns like all these cosmetic companies. I mean, so much cosmetics, perfume, skincare, whatever. And of course, she spent like $1,000,000 because she was like, girl, I got to get two. I got one for me, one for my girl. So she picked me up the Naked 3 palette. Now, I think, wasn't there like a smaller version of this? But anyway, so she picked this up for me. Let me open it for you. You let me know, girl. Do you have it? Is this like the real deal? I don't even know. Let me open it. It's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the brush, the this, the that. Take a wild guess. You know, I paid $59 for this, but of course I used some of my points because I'm like, I'm not even, girl. But I just didn't need it. Whatever. But take a wild guess. Take a wild guess. $10. $10. It made my stomach, because, and it's just not, it's not just like makeup and like skincare. It's everywhere. I mean, we are so manipulated, and unfortunately, you know, we fall for it. It really doesn't cost that much. So I'm just thinking in my brain, girl, I'm just thinking, if you're charging us like $60 in stores, and then you go to these places, but I'm paying $10 for it. How much did it take for you to make it? $5? I don't even know, but it just makes me so sad. Like you guys have like a chokehold on us, and we all do it. We all do it. I was reading an article the other day, and they were talking about like foods. Like when you, like I live in New Jersey, so like our like name brand like Stop and Shop or ShopRite, they have Bowl and Basket, whatever. But let's just say for cereal, it's like Kellogg's for like, I don't even know. Let's just, oh, Kellogg's cereal, cornflakes, whatever, like it's $7, and like the other brand is like, you know, $3.99. It's the same exact cereal made in the same exact plant, same exact factory. They just like change the boxes out, but yet we get manipulated like that. Like we get manipulated, and it's a shame that, you know, we all fall for it. We all fall for it. I'm going to go in, I think, with, I want like a different brush. I think I'm going to take this flat brush over here. Do I have anything, any spray? No. But I'm going to go in with Dark Horse right here. This is like a satin. These are beautiful, these satins. So I'm going to just take that right over here. That's what it looks like. Dark Horse. I'm going to put this right on my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. That is super pretty. I'm going to take that on my lid, and I'm tapping. I'm using a tapping motion. And then whatever I have left over, I'm going to just go right in my crease. That is really pretty. And I think I'm going to take Half Baked. Let me just show it to you right over here. Girl, I didn't even give you the finger. Do you see that? I'm going to take Half Baked, and I'm going to just put it on my moving lid. Because, you know, I want to see what Sidecar. I think we're going to put that right on top. This is really pretty, though. Ooh, that's nice. But anyway, yeah, that blew my mind. But, like I said, you got me in a chokehold. I mean, food, makeup, clothes, it just goes on and on. This is ooh, that's beautiful. That Sidecar right there. Maybe I'd like to put it in the inner corner. I should have left it bare, but ooh, look how pretty that is. Isn't that nice? Ooh, that's really pretty. I like to switch hands, because if I use my other hand, I don't feel like I could get it in here enough. That is beautiful. Ooh, that's gorgeous, right? So what I think I'm done for now. I don't like how this is coming out over here. So I think I'm going to just wipe this off over here. I have to redo I'm gonna have to redo the makeup a little bit. Let me just go off camera real quick. Let me just fix the sides and then put mascara on, some eyeliner. We'll finish the bottom and then I'll give you my final review. I'll be right back. So there you have it. I have my mascara on, my eyeliner. I'm gonna come close to you. Tell me what you guys think. I think it's so beautiful. Is it the most ingenious special thing in the whole wide world? No, but again, it's the history behind it. It is so beautiful. It's a classic, it's OG. I mean, I think this is what started the whole trend of like full eyeshadow, smoky eyes, full palettes. I could be wrong, I don't know. Leave me some comments below. But what do you guys think? Did you pick up this palette? Did you have it before and you're not gonna pick it up? Your thoughts, do you like it? Don't you like it? Leave them down below. And yeah, so this is it. This is my video on the Urban Decay Naked Palette, the OG. So yep, that's it. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.